Hey doodlers, I'm Doodle Dog. Grab a pencil and let's draw together. Today we're going to draw a cupcake. Let's doodle! Okay, you want to start up here at the top of the page, right about here, and we're going to draw a circle shape for the top of the cherry, or the cherry on top of the cupcake here. So right here, all the way around, and then stop. Don't close it off. Let's leave a space right there for the stem of the cherry. And we're going to do a curved line up for the stem on one side of the stem. That. And we go back down, leave a little space, and another curved line up. And let's connect those lines like that. And then a little line like that to show where the stem goes inside the cherry. Okay, let's draw the icing on top of the cupcake now. We're going to do some curved lines, kind of C-shaped, the letter C shaped lines like this, starting here. And then we're going to come over on this side of the cherry over here, and another backward C. You can always pause the video if you need more time. And let's go to this side, and we'll do a C shape like this, coming down here, starting over here. And now back up over here, and a reverse C curve like this, down like this, starting here. And now over here, another one here. And we'll stop right about there. And now we're going to draw a curved bottom of the icing line here. So starting over here, and then stop. And then right here, we're going to connect it, loop it around like this, a big curved line, and connect it back up to here. Like that. Okay, now the icing is on top of the cupcake. So at the top of the cake, we're going to do down here with a couple of curved lines, 4 curved lines across. So starting here, on the edge of the icing, let's do one curved line like this. And then we're going to slightly overlap that line and do another curved line down here like this. And another one here, starting over here. And then one final one over here that comes back around. Okay, now to draw the bottom of the cupcake. Down here, we're going to do a straight angled line to here, starting here. And now we're going to draw a curved line that goes around here for the bottom of the cupcake. Like that. And now from this point, an angled straight line back up to here. Like that. Okay, let's draw some eyes on this cupcake. Some big cute eyes. So starting around here, inside the bottom of the cake shape, we're going to draw a circle. Like that. And let's do another circle on this side over here. Starting right here. About the same size. Okay, back over to this side of the eye, we're going to draw a curved line, kind of like a crescent moon shape here. Like that. And let's do the same on the other side, but going the other way. Like that. And now inside this shape, let's draw a small circle for the highlight of the eye. And the same on this side. And now let's color in those eyes black. Both sides. Okay, let's make these eyes extra cute and add a few eyelashes coming off the sides of the top of the eye. So a little line like that, and another little one like that. And now let's do the other side. That, and like that. Okay, now let's draw the mouth. Between the two eyes here, let's do a curved line for a smile, happy smile line. Like that. And then at this point, we're going to do a U-shaped line down to make the mouth open. And now let's draw the tongue and color in the mouth. He's a happy cupcake. All right, let's draw some colored little cheeks on the sides of the cupcake here. So a small circle here. And let's do another one over here. Like that. Now we're going to draw a couple of angled straight lines to show the texture of the cupcake bottom. So right here, starting here, let's draw a straight line down like this. And then one on the other side, starting here, down here like this. And let's do a short one here between the eye, but let's not touch the bottom of the eye. Let's start it a little bit below the eye and have it go down like that. And then the same on this side, a little below the eye and down like that. Let's add some sprinkles on top of the icing of the cupcake. So up here, let's do some rectangle shaped sprinkles. They could be all different sizes. We'll just put them all over the icing. You can put them wherever you want on top of the icing. And maybe I'll do some circle-shaped ones too, to just add some variety to the sprinkles. There we go. And now I think this is a shiny, happy cupcake, so I'm going to add some stars and a heart around the top. So right about here, I'm going to add a star. So make a angled shape like that. And then we go around and we do another one on that side. And another one on this side. And then two at the bottom. Like that. And we'll do one over here as well. And lastly, let's draw a heart up here. So one side of the heart shape and the other side of the heart shape. I love how this drawing is coming together. Let's color it in. I'm going to color my frosting pink, but you can color it whatever you want. So grab your markers, colored pencils or crayons, and let's do it. And maybe the cake, an orangey brown color. And a slightly darker brown color for the bottom of the cake. Remember to stay within the lines. We'll do the cheeks pink, the tongue red. Let's do the sprinkles blue. And we'll do the cherry red. A purple heart and some yellow stars. Remember to always sign your doodle. Wow! Keep drawing and have fun. Remember, there are no mistakes, only doodles. Bye!